The aim of this project is to promote an organic system using dual-purpose genotypes where the males are used for meat production and the females are used for egg production and meat production after the end of lay. Male chickens from the pure egg layer genotypes are killed as day old because they don't have the growth potential for meat production. And this practice is a serious ethical and welfare challenge. By using males from the dual-purpose genotypes, this elimination of the day-old chicken is not needed. We have been conducted trials for over a year with 3 different poultry genotypes, where 2 of them were dual-purpose genotypes. The trials with the males and the females are conducted here on the outdoor organic poultry platform at Aarhus University. We have on this relatively large area 40 individual units we can use in experiments. We have placed mobile houses in each unit, and in addition to that we have planted rows of willows which provide the birds with shelter and also protection, so they feel safe and use the whole area in the units. In addition to that, we expect that the willows absorb part of the nitrogen that is excreted in the poultry's manure. In both experiments we use 30 of these units and we have 2 dual-purpose genotypes, and in addition to this we have a control for both layers and males. The calb is used as the control in the layer experiment, and this is a pure egg-laying genotype that is widely used in the organic egg production. For the broilers, the male control is the so-called JACY87, which is representative for the organic meat production. The 2 dual-purpose genotypes we have tested in the experiments is the Lohmann dual and the Isa dual, where both males and females are used in experiments. Several partners are involved in the project, where we have focused on many different parameters such as weight development, overall productivity, welfare parameters such as plumage and food pad quality, environmental issue, and product quality and diversity. We have used a feeding strategy where we have tested 2 different diets, a standard diet with a normal protein content and diets with a reduced protein content, in order to see the effect on the environment due to a supposed reduced excretion of nitrogen in the manure. In order to measure the nitrogen leaching into the soil, we have placed the so-called suction cups on different points in each unit. The suction cups are 1 meter long tubes, so we actually can collect soil water 1 meter below the surface, and when we have collected this soil water we can analyze it for nitrogen content and then get an idea of the leaching. We have also carried out digestibility experiment at different ages to see the effect of the reduced protein content on nutrient digestibility, especially on the amino acids and the nitrogen excretion. All data collected both in the male and the female trials are used in a life cycle assessment to estimate the overall environmental sustainability and climate impact on the production from the different genotypes. We expect that the concept can be implemented in practice to some extent, and hope to increase the visibility of these different organic poultry products for the consumers. The project will continue for another 2 years, where 2 organic producers will test one of the dual-purpose genotypes, both in egg production and a meat production under practical conditions.